Welcome to Somerford at Stoner Farm, where modern living meets comfort and convenience in Lancaster, PA. Just minutes from Route 30 and 222, enjoy easy access to the shops at Belmont, nearby Lidditz, and Lancaster City for dining and entertainment options. With the Lancaster Amtrak station less than 10 minutes away, you can be in Philadelphia in an hour or New York City in 3 hours. Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Delaware, New Jersey, and Maryland beaches are all within a 3-hour drive. Experience an active community atmosphere in a top-rated school district. The winding streets of Somerford at Stoner Farm feel like one large cul-de-sac, perfect for walking, jogging, biking, and more. Plus, enjoy exclusive access to Stoner Park and nearby country clubs offering golf, tennis, heated outdoor pools, and more. Somerford at Stoner Farm offers 2 home styles, single family and carriage homes with a wide range of customizable options to explore. Our unique approach ensures you're involved in every step of the way, from structural design to finish, with direct access to your home progress via our KCH app. Whether you're local or moving across the country, we're here to make your vision a reality. Welcome home to Somerford at Stoner Farm, where luxury, convenience, and community come together to create the perfect place to call home.